Here we go, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make my own version of my spring roll. So our ingredients is carrots, my bamboo shoot. I use 2 tin of bamboo shoot and you can get it anywhere. My minced pork, and you can use any mince like you want, like chicken or beef, but mine I always use a pork. My black pepper, my seasonings, my soy sauce, my oil. This one is my marinated, barbecue marinated. I use this for my minced pork later to marinate. My spring roll wrap, you can get in Tesco because I seen sometimes, but this one I get it from Oriental Shop. And my bean sprout. So I make my own bean sprout. You can get in Tesco as well if you want, but in my own version of my spring roll, I always make my own bean sprout. So I sprout this for about 7 days and then take out the skin. I'm just gonna show you. I have a video for it, how to make it, or how to take out the skin. So for now, I'm gonna slice our carrots in our bamboo shoot. So I'm gonna show you later after I slice it. Here we go, guys, we're back. So earlier I forgot to mention to you how many grams of mince I use. So I use 454 grams of minced pork. So it's up to you. The more meat, the more better. So today we're gonna marinate our mince. I use my gloves. So take it out first. I use a teaspoon of this, a teaspoon of pepper to marinate it. Actually, I don't use teaspoon now, but normally I use teaspoon of this. Yeah, because my husband like a bit spicy. So you just mix it together. Because later, when you saute all the ingredients, you have to put some pepper as well. And then soy sauce. Just a tablespoon of this soy sauce you have to put. So when you marinate your meat, you have to use a soy sauce, tablespoon of soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of this barbecue marinated. Then you just mix it together. That's how I marinate my meat. So it's up to you if you want more tasty, or how you call that. If your taste is very strong, then put more soy sauce or put more barbecue marinated. The barbecue marinated, it's make more your meat tastier when you eat your spring roll. Make sure that you mix properly the ingredients of your mince. So that's, guys, my meat. So I already chopped my onion and my garlic, and then I already sliced my carrots. So this is how I slice my carrots, guys. Just like this. And then my bamboo shoot. So that's it. So now we're gonna try to saute everything. So I'm gonna saute it now and I'm gonna show you later. So now we're gonna saute all the ingredients. It depends to you how much oil you want to use. But mine, actually, I use a 4 tablespoon of oil. So now, because I'm expert, I've been cooking this, so I know how much oil I'm gonna use. So I don't need a tablespoon. So that's. So I always do the onion first before the garlic, because the garlic, if you burn the garlic, it's gonna be bitter taste. So there. It's easy, guys. Actually, it's easy to make this. This is my spring roll version. So I don't know what version you have, but this is my version. So I'm gonna put my garlic. So just leave it like that until it's cooked, the garlic in the onion. So here we go, guys. Our onion and garlic is ready now, is cooked. So we're gonna put our minced pork. We're gonna saute it with the garlic and onion so it's more tasty. I love the smell of garlic and onion. So there you go, guys. Sauteing with this, and then make sure that you mix well with the garlic and onion. And then wait until you can see that the meat is already cooked. So there we go, guys. Our meat is cooked and mixed well with the onion and the garlic. So now we're gonna put, or we're gonna add our carrots and bamboo shoot. So we're gonna mix them together properly, mix well, like that. So guys, our carrots and bamboo shoot is well done cooked now. So we can add our bean sprout. So we're gonna put it slowly because we only have a small pan. Then mix them together and then add more. I like a spring roll with a lot of bean sprout that I made. So make sure that you mix together properly. We make sure that we're gonna fit all the bean sprout. Put all together. Yes. See? And now we're gonna add our pepper. I put 2.5 teaspoons of that. I didn't use any teaspoon anymore because I know how much I need. So if you want more peppery, add more. But for those people who don't like peppery, then just use a proper amount for you. But my husband like a bit peppery, so I use more. So we're gonna add a soya sauce. And then we're gonna add our seasoning liquid. I love the seasoning liquid. It's more tastier. And try your ingredients, this one, the one you're cooking, if the taste is enough or you want to add more ingredients. You know, some seasonings or chicken stocks. Because me, I always do. I always taste it first and then try to think what's ingredients or what more seasonings I'm gonna add. So this is my bomb to make it more tastier. So I add a teaspoon of this. A teaspoon of this how you call this? Vegetable seasoning. Vegetable powder. So here we go, guys. Our ingredients is done. There is there. So we're gonna off the hob now. And then to cool it down, before you wrap it, you have to cool it down and transfer into a clean bowl. So we're gonna transfer it in here. So like I said, we're gonna cool it down before we wrap it. Here we go, guys. Our ingredients is already cooled down, so it's ready to wrap. So normally the wrapper I get is the next size of this. This one is smaller than the normal I get because the last time I get in Oriental shop, they don't have that size. That size I'm using is 30 sheets inside every pack, but this one is 40 sheets in a pack. So I normally use 2 sheets in one spring roll, so it's more thicker. I can't get the other. There. So I use 2. So every spring roll, every one spring roll, I put 2 spoons of ingredients inside of the spring roll, and then wrap it like that. There. So I have 2 in here now. So just repeat, same until you finish all the ingredients. So I'm gonna show you later after I finish wrapping it all. Here we go, guys, we're back. We finished wrapping our spring roll. There. And I made 24 pieces of spring roll. So all we have to do now is to fry it. And we're gonna get our oil. There's our oil. So I'll start frying. So we're gonna start frying now. So here we go, guys. Our pan is already hot with the oil. It's already hot now, so we're gonna put a spring roll to fry. Don't put them together, so put some space so they don't stick together. Just like that. And then we're gonna fry this all 24 spring roll. So I'm gonna show you later the finished product. Here we go, guys. I'm back and I'm done frying my spring roll. So this is the finished product, guys. So this is, you need to achieve the brownsiness of my chuba chuchu spring rolls. So I'm gonna taste it. Testing. Mmm. 100% yummy. Like it. So that's why I cook these loads, guys, because I stored in a freezer. So every time my husband wanted it, I'm just gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes in gas mark 6, or in a frying fan, air fryer, 190 degree for about 15 minutes. So that's how I cook it if my husband asks me to, if you want it. So that's all, guys. This is my spring roll. Thank you for watching. Bye.